Friends, today I am at Block 7, Lodi Colony Art District. The painting I'm showing you is just different from other paintings which are more attractive in terms of colors, color combinations. जैसे कहते हैं चटकीले रंग, ये चटकीले रंगों से दूर है. And the colors are very raw, very simple, and very like watercolors. The reason being, this painting denotes the condition, the state of affairs of women from lower strata of society, those living in clusters or the working class women doing hard labor jobs. The concept is the context of the painting is, despite of confronting poverty, they need to become fearless and face the world with determination, perseverance, and commitment. Come what may. The slogans they have written over is this heading. The title is fearless, and the slogan given is "रह गए थे जो तेरे अरमान, उनसे बुनूंगी नई जान." Means whatever your aspirations were, I'll try to make them come true through my hard work, determination, courage, despite being in poverty, acute poverty, abject poverty. So see the colors are wonderful, and giving the raw look, raw look, like the status of the women of lowest above the society, like poverty, leading a extremely traumatized and difficult lifestyle, confronting a lot of problems to for their sustenance, to meet, to ends meal and whatnot, to look after the children, etc. So it is in the Block 7 wall. Paintings are quite raw, dull. I mean, in order to express the real status, sentiments of the women living below poverty line and struggling hard to earn their livelihood through efforts, sincerity, dedication, commitment, courage, and मेहनत से कमाना जिसे सिखाते हैं. So this is it. It's a very nice painting. Though the walls have gone, scrapped walls are scrapped. You can see there is a renovation work going inside the flats, so they have kept the tile and the wall is completely disturbed. But still, I've tried to cover this painting in order to show you quite a different mural painting, artwork painting, as seen earlier on other walls, which were more fascinating than expressing the true life of the women working at the lowest strata of the society, earning for their children with hard work. There is yet another painting which has also gone. I mean, it's now in bad shape, but it's in black and white color. It's a rather gives a pencil work type of a